So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand current control set, and then you want to expand services, and then you want to scroll down until you find, let me show you, until you find this one right here, WUAUSERV. You want to delete this folder, so you're going to right click on it, and then click on delete, and then click on yes. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in notepad, click on it. And now you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description, and then you want to copy and paste the code which I'm going to leave. So just paste it into the notepad, and now we're going to click on file, and then click on save as. And then you want to change the encoding to ANSI, and now we're going to change the file name. You can just do like anything you want. I'm just going to type in Windows 10 and then put .reg. You can put any name, but just make sure the most important thing, you have .reg at the end. So if it says .txt or something like that, remove that and then put .reg at the end. And you can put any name that you want in front of it. And now you just want to save it. Now that's been saved, it should appear. I saved it to my desktop. You want to double click on it, and then click on yes, and then click on yes again. And now once you've done that, you want to restart your computer. And now once you're back on Windows, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan's been done, you want to restart your computer again, and then the problem should be fixed.